President wa Rotary Club Musya abwamubende ne Bruce Kanzire kandogo ajiro mbijere bya Julius Balinda ohendire enchuro ye abumwaka gumwe.
So colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, join me to welcome Rotarian Bruce Kanzira as our incoming president. Thanks very much.
I, Kanzira Bruce, do solemnly swear or pledge that I will faithfully execute the office of the president of the Rotary Club of Mubende Metro.
Mubende Metro Rotary Club ekatanu kumwaka gw'2020 erukuruga ari club ya Mityana kandi ogwo yaba president wa Mushanju.
Obugaro.
Abamani bajangu dubakugonjera omukuranisa za butandu anguto okunjama n'umukwatiraho abambiciro genshagama na mnonga habwirwaro lya Mubende eru
project ite twenda kora about road safety twenda kureba ngo twateka muzabira crossing zo mutawuni twateka bande amashomero jamucendeze obu accidents kubaho mu hanga za kureba ngo twakwatanisa na nirwaro twatekaho black bank Mubende inetize muceshagama kandi turiyo Rwanda grant kureba ngo twatekaho blood bank
emirimo erukorwa aba Rotary esemeru omugani nkago aba Rotary eyachegegwa pioneers bashitamisa nabo president omusya ogubamweta Lambert ahimisibwe ogunwe yabo wa kabiri awa club ekwihebaho ajiro mbijere bya Carlos Matovu.
Ahimisibwe Kamanjiro Lambert, I do solemnly pledge that I will faithfully execute the duties of the office of the president of Rotary Club.
Chegegwa Pioneers Rotary Club ekakomoka a club ya Mubende Metro bahisya omwaka gumwe.
All right, sound it as for the
Abano jangamana na bugonjera omukwisya amizi no kwatiraho abana abishiki omashomero.
Atandika omulimu okuteka club in 2024 itwegesa ekigambo kya Rotary to mobilize Nangana and in March 2025 Rotary International through the district wakatwikiriza to become a club that is worldwide recognized.
Twenka kirabu tuwarecherire ibintu bingi tukora herezo batwatwine umukoro gw'amana munonga twedemberize project yo kugamba ngo twine kuhereza abana b'amashomero agasekendre na munonga agabishiki bahereza amezi tukira kukora tukira kugura tanka n'ibitugendwaho byona tuginstallinga ahishomero tugaraka tushomesa abana b'ishomero n'ingasha abana b'ishomero twatwara tanka kugira ngo bakume tanke yo kutwakubasa kuba twagenzere esigare eri gukora umurimo gwayo.
Amakuraga gasha kwa Philip Murangira.
Thank you.